You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. There are two different pronunciations. In English, this is most generally used as a verb. And as a verb, it's pronounced as incarnate, or American English pronunciation, incarnate. So it's a nate sound at the end. Now, as an adjective, it's pronounced as incarnate, a nut sound rather than nate. So incarnate as a verb, incarnate adjective. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.